9 powerful signs a woman is physically attracted to you. Women don't announce attraction. We encode it in micro movements most men dismiss as politeness. The difference between genuine desire and social courtesy lives in fractions of seconds, specific body angles, and breathing patterns that shift when you're close. We're biologically wired to reveal interest through channels that bypass conscious control, yet 90% of men misread these signals entirely. Sign 1: licking lips softly while talking, and pupils dilate involuntarily in dim light. A woman's lips have a language of their own, and it's not what you think. Most men assume when a woman licks her lips, it's just a dry skin issue. But that's rarely the case. There's a delicate art in that motion. It's an invitation, subtle yet bold. That quick flick of her tongue might seem like an innocent gesture, but it's a well timed, almost instinctive reaction to something she desires. Pair that with the dilation of her pupils. Yes, your eyes didn't deceive you. Her pupils expand when she's drawn to you, especially in dim light. It's as if the world around her fades and all that matters is the connection she feels in that moment. These are primal signals, and they're not the stuff of casual conversation. There are physiological signs telling you that she's really noticing you. And when a woman does this, she's not just responding to the conversation. She's marking her territory in the only way nature allows, through her subconscious. Sign 2: she notices and reacts to your scent. It's a fascinating truth that goes unnoticed. Scent plays a larger role in attraction than you might think. A woman might lean in closer or pause for a moment to inhale deeply. No, it's not just about the cologne you're wearing, but the unique combination of your natural scent and how it resonates with her. When she reacts to your scent, she's processing it on an entirely different level. It's about chemistry, the connection beneath the surface. Most men will never notice how the slightest movement of her body follows the recognition of your scent. She might not even be aware of it herself, but that's how deep our instincts go. Your scent triggers attraction long before your words or your appearance do. It's more than just smelling good. It's your biological signature that speaks to hers. Sign 3: skin flushing appears on her chest. There's a science behind this, but it's also part of something more timeless. The flush you notice on her chest, that's the signal of a woman reacting physically to your presence. Blood rushes to the surface and the skin becomes warm to the touch. This isn't the result of an awkward moment or the heat of a room. It's pure biological attraction. Her body is responding to you in a very, very real way. What's intriguing is how little attention most men pay to this sign. They'll see the flush and they might just think she's embarrassed or overheated. But what if it's not heat at all, but desire manifesting itself? The subtle warmth is a silent communicator saying more than words could ever express. Sign 4: lip plumping through subconscious biting. In the world of attraction, certain gestures are so automatic, they almost feel invisible. A woman subconsciously biting her bottom lip, or allowing her lips to plump slightly while talking to you, is far more than a random movement. It's an instinctive action, a physical manifestation of her desire. You see, when she's interested, her body reacts without her asking it to. Her lips become more pronounced, more tempting. And while many men may mistake it for nervousness, what she's really doing is a silent dance of attraction. When a woman's lips soften and subtly swell as she looks at you, it's a natural response to the magnetic pull you're creating. Sign 5: voice pitch drops noticeably. You're talking to her and suddenly you notice her voice lowers. It becomes smoother, softer, almost more intimate. This isn't an accident, nor is it something she's consciously trying to do. When a woman's voice drops in pitch around you, it's a biological response, a shift that comes when she feels more comfortable, more at ease, and more attracted. Her voice deepens because her body senses the closeness of someone she's drawn to. It's not about what she's saying, it's about how she's saying it. A deeper voice means there's a shift in emotional connection. Pay attention, and you'll start noticing how her voice softens just for you. This isn't just a casual conversation, it's a sign of deepening interest. Sign 6: breathing synchronizes with yours. Have you noticed how when you're near her, Her breathing matches yours, not in a forced way, but almost like it's happening without either of you trying. This synchronization of breath is a key sign that her body is attuned to yours. When a woman is attracted to you, her body wants to mirror yours in the most subtle ways. Her breath speeds up or slows down to match the rhythm you've set. It's a deeply ingrained signal that shows she's connected to you on an almost subconscious level. It's not something she's doing on purpose, but it's something her body can't help but do when attraction is in the air. You're creating a connection that's more than just physical, it's instinctual. Sign 7. Heat radiation increases from her torso. Most men don't realize that attraction can manifest in how we feel warmth. When a woman is drawn to you, you might notice a subtle increase in warmth radiating from her torso. This isn't a random occurrence. It's her body's response to the closeness of someone she's attracted to. Her body releases heat as a natural part of the attraction process, especially when she's in close proximity to you. It's an undeniable sign that your presence has sparked something primal. The body reacts. It's almost as if her personal space becomes warmer, inviting you in. This warmth, it's not just heat. It's a deep, undeniable signal that she's comfortable. And that comfort, it's built on a foundation of physical attraction. Sign 8. Slight sweating appears on upper lip. You've probably seen it before. That small bead of sweat forming above her lip. Almost imperceptible, but very telling. It's a clue that most men overlook. It's not about her being nervous or uncomfortable. It's a physiological reaction to being near someone who causes her attraction to flare up. Sweating is a natural, involuntary reaction to heightened emotional states. And if she's sweating slightly around you, it's because her body is processing attraction. The slight sheen on her upper lip is more than just physical. It's a subconscious acknowledgement of your effect on her. And when a woman sweats because of attraction, she's not trying to hide it. She's just responding to the irresistible pull you've created. Sign 9. Protective gestures disappear around you. Notice how she might relax her posture or stop crossing her arms when you're around. This is one of the clearest signs of attraction. Protective gestures like shielding her body with her arms or sitting with a barrier between you two are her instinctual way of keeping distance. But when those barriers disappear, it's a powerful sign. She's letting her guard down because she feels comfortable and maybe even safe in your presence. This change in body language is often overlooked by most men, but it's an unmistakable signal that she trusts you and is beginning to let go. When these protective gestures vanish, it's not just about physical attraction, it's about emotional safety. Bonus point, watch for gravity defiance. Her body language will appear lighter and more animated. This one is fascinating and quite frankly underappreciated. If her body language becomes lighter and more animated, almost as if gravity has no hold on her, that's your sign of real attraction. When a woman is physically drawn to you, she often seems to move with more grace, more fluidity, as if she's defying gravity. Her posture becomes more open and her movements are more energetic. It's as if the presence of someone she's attracted to has given her a surge of life, making her more animated, more present in every moment. This isn't a conscious attempt to impress you, it's a natural result of attraction. Thank you for sticking with us to this point. You've unlocked a hidden gem in this bonus point, gravity defiance, which is as revealing as it is rare to notice. We appreciate you for being part of our community. And if you enjoyed this video, drop a short comment below. To prove you've watched it until the end, like the video, share it with someone who might benefit, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more daily content. We'll see you again.